Hello guys, welcome to my video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to finish your task without using Microsoft Word. It's based on my experience. I lose my access to Microsoft Word, so let's get into it. So here's what I have with my Microsoft Word. I need to activate it. If I don't, it won't work. You can only display something, but you cannot edit it further by using all these tabs right there. So here's what I do. I use my Visual Studio Code to create this task. So let me search the file. I made it, and hold on, here it is. Okay, so here's what I have. I made this using only HTML and CSS, and here's a quick preview. And it's quite a lot. Let's just open it in live server. I'm using Firefox, and boom, this is the result. And what I did to turn this into Microsoft Word is I copy this, all of this, all the way to the bottom. I send it to my friend and ask my friend to copy it into his Microsoft Word and send it back to me. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching the video. Bye!